a capital offense. Sheriff John Brown always hated me. For what? Well, I don't know. And every time I plant my seed, he said, get it before it grows. Yeah, he said, get it before it grows. I shot Jerry, but I didn't shoot his deputy. I shot Jerry, but I didn't shoot the deputy. Freedom came my way one day, so I started out of town. All of a sudden I see Sheriff John Brown aiming to shoot me down. So I shut him down. I shot Sheriff, but I swear it wasn't self-defense. I shot Sheriff, now they say it is a capital offense. I shot him. Shot him. I shot Jerry, but I didn't shoot the deputy. No, no. I shot Jerry, but I didn't shoot the deputy. Ruthless said they got the better of me, and what? Well, it must be true, yeah. Every day the bucket goes down the well, but one day the bottom will drop out.